feels insane.
Oh, I love that.
Straight up. Gonna run it. The first one always makes me run.
¿Para qué es?
YouTube.
Para YouTube.
Ajá.
Vale, ¿qué necesito hacer?
Ok, perfecto. Si quieres, ¿está bien para caminar aquí? Un poquito más a la luz.
Si no hay coches.
Sí, listo. Más aquí, en la luz. Sí.
¿De dónde eres tú?
Nueva Zelanda.
Wow. So English is maybe better.
English.
Yeah, great. Norway.
Oh, cool.
What brings you
Norway,
here?
that's the first Norwegian we've had. The first Norwegian.
What is the YouTube? Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, so it's for YouTube, and I do like photos of strangers and that kind of thing.
Cool.
So yeah, if I like find some people and I like their style and their look, I normally ask them.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yeah. So let's try, come over here. Oh, actually I'm gonna put you, I think, over here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You know if I have acai all over my mouth, please.
Oh yeah, cool. What is it? Sorry.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's try, come the tiny bit more this way. Want to get this
Van a poner de 50 a 59.
This way or that way?
This way.
Ahí ven, ahí se habla.
Okay, yes, something like that, perfect. Oh yes, we got the sound.
This is so random.
Awesome, yeah. You never thought that was going to happen, eh? Can we try...
I honestly thought I was about to get robbed, so this is great.
Oh, yeah.
It's a big step up.
Yeah. Let's just try one more over here too. Oh, this is the place. This is the place.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yes! You guys are going to freak when you see this. The sun is going crazy back here. Okay, yes, awesome. Stay like that. Can I take this one for a second? Do you mind? Do we have room? Can you hold this?
Yeah, you can manage. Just lay down there. Okay.
Yes, wait, I love that. Stay like that. There are like little fireflies flying around and stuff. It looks so good. Stay there. Yes, super serious. Looking at me. Perfect. Stay like this. Oh god, stay there. Okay, and now hands down. Yep. Yes, I love this look. Stay there. Yes. Awesome. Yes, that's awesome. So like this. Yeah, I was just gonna say, can you hold the glasses? Okay, sit. One more. Done. Check them out. These are so nice.
Oh my god, that's lovely. Oh, I love that.
Straight up. And like after the edit, it's gonna look insane.
Sick.
Yes.
Super cool.
I'll like send you the
I'll
pictures.
slide straight into your DMs, man.
Just get in this. Slide in those DMs.
Evie.
Evie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Don't forget
Nice to
your desserts.
Yes, thank you for not robbing me.
Not this time.
Not this time.
Maybe
I'll be
la
careful,
próxima
though.
vez.
La
I was
próxima
going to
vez.
rob you and then I was like, nah.
Let's just take photos instead.
Yeah.
Great deal. Well, good luck with your project.
Thank you, and I'll send you the pictures.
Thanks. Can't
Cheers,
wait.
great
Yeah,
meeting
you
you.
were the first person today, so
Woo!
yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Que le quieres sacar más fotos. Sí, obvio, sacale. Dale. Sí.
Okay, podemos caminar ahí a la calle, es súper bonita la luz. Yes. ¿Quieres?
Sí.
Sí, todo.
¿Con él? No. No, estoy.
¿De dónde eres? Argentina. Sí. Sí. Yeah, like this. Nice. Sí. Oh, actually, wait, I like the one you guys go down all together. Let's try one as well. Like, awesome. Okay, so if you guys start at the bottom and then walk towards me, but like normal. Yeah? Okay, chicos, so. Bam, listo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 minutes. Yes, así. Oh, yes, stay there, aguanta.
Mate en la mano.
Estamos bien. Es importantísimo, es importantísimo.
Mate en la mano.
Sorry.
What is it?
It's my DJ name.
Oh, okay, cool, nice. Nice to meet you, DJ Kipo. Kido.
Guido.
Kido.
Yeah, yeah.
Excuse me. DJ Kido, there he is.
Sorry. Perfect, stay there. Come on, baby. Maybe leaning on one side and then one hand coming up like this. Perfect. So, yes, chulo. Maybe I see. Give me a minute, like this, and you can hold the straps as well.
Okay.
We can do one and then one holding your head. Yeah. See? Yes. Okay, set. Okay, who's next?
On my phone.
Actually, while you're there, I want that you guys like this spot.
Dale, bebé.
Yes, man, and actually, can you come a little bit this way? Further. Yes, stay there, perfect. Okay, yes, perfect. And one more. For your what?
DJ por favor.
He's DJ.
DJ, nice. Yeah.
Ornella.
Sí.
Dame y dame.
Igual se va.
Damn, guys, tengo ganas para ver qué
Arriba.
subimos.
Sí.
¿Sí? Vamos.
¡Ay, lo digo pues! Pará,
Se queda bien. Queda como.
estabas en la otra.
Damn, this feels insane. Nice, stay there. Oh, I kind of like this one as well. Just stay there. Stay there. Stay there, guys. Okay, cool. That's everyone, yeah? I kind of want to try like one of you guys. Okay, man, looking at me. Stay there. Can you try one again, just looking down? Hold, just stay like this. Hold it, stay like that. Perfect. Cool, and do you want to try one here in this corner too? You just, this is like turning into a full.
No.
Is it?
It's funny.
Okay, nice. Boom, perfect.
We always watch YouTube.
Really cool. Damn, what a good spot.
It's good.
Yeah, the view. The view.
It's awesome. Like that spot.
See.
¿Qué hago? ¿Video o foto? Video.
Try one more just over here. Yeah. I just kind of like want the perfect shot of everyone, and this was like really the best.
Una más.
Quiero probar una arriba.
Con la vista, es lo mejor. Yes, it, look. Just one portrait?
We start like this.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, looking at me? Yeah, stay like that. Stay there. Perfect. You want to do one here too?
Okay.
Single?
Una cada uno. Sí, es la gracia de sacarle fotos a la gente que no sabe qué hacer.
Okay, yeah, stay like that. Stay like that.
You tell me what to do.
I edit them.
Yeah, no rush.
It's
Obviously,
super chulo.
just when you have.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, well, are you guys going back down?
Yeah. No, we're here.
So just chilling there.
We live here.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Hola, perdón. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida y me gustaría una foto. ¿Sí? Bueno, let me see. Tú caminas y yo voy a... ¿La idea? Sí, mejor. Okay, so let's try one. Just stay like this. Sí, aguanta ahí. Yes, can you hold your... Ajá. Sí. Yes, perfecto. Así. Okay, super quiet. Okay, yes, I like that. Vale, aguanta. Yes, perfect. And can you do this again? With the yes. Okay, y no ponte serio. Sí, pero. Yes, we're going. Yes, y una más turn around. Yes.
Ay, qué
Esta.
lindas. Esa está linda. Somos mejores.
Boom. So, si quieres, te las mando si quieres.
Dale, perfecto.
Ajá. Okay, muy bien.
Gracias. Que tenga un lindo día.
Okay, now the light just came out. The light came out for us. We need another one. So, do you want a
Yeah,
picture?
sure.
Oh, perfecto. Okay, lucky.
For
So
what
I'll
for?
show you. YouTube.
But,
It's
what are you
un
doing?
retrato.
Okay. Who's your...
Like this. Boom, but like, check it out. We do like a lot of. Yeah.
Well, I
Yeah.
do this and then, okay, I'll post.
I'm going harder, like heaps of people, and it's going really well.
Cool.
Okay, nice.
Do you wanna
So,
do us?
yeah, separate though, like a
Okay,
portrait.
Sure. Yeah, just tell us.
You're holding a skateboard, yeah?
I don't know how to pose.
No, I'll tell you. Yeah.
Yo estuve, no me jodas.
See. So this one, can you hold the skateboard like that?
Yes. First time I skate in
Yes.
my life, you know,
Uh-huh.
skate.
This is the first time. Y ahora profesional,
Do you
yes.
want me to take this off?
Or not even just like a little bit down here. Just like so you can breathe, you know? Okay, let's turn this way.
Tú haces lo mismo, cabrón.
Stay there. Perfecto. Mira, aguanta, me mires. A little bit serious. I couldn't. I was like, I knew.
Couldn't hold it in.
Okay, just smile. Yes, perfect.
Like this so that I have more battery. Fair enough.
Boom.
Very cool.
They're gonna be dope. So you can, you know me anyway. So like, I'll send
Yeah.
them to you.
I think I have your WhatsApp anyway.
So
that's
I'll
it.
like send them after.
Yeah, sure.
Sí. Hey man,
Pablo.
¿Quieres?
Te
Pablo.
toca.
Sí. Alright man, so can you go un poquito más aquí? Yes. Let's just wait until we have this chart. Okay. Yeah, super nice. Stay there. Because it's normalmente retratos.
Yeah.
Yes, so you know the...
Of my new friend.
Oh, okay, cool. Alright man, todo bien. Wow, nice bumping into them. I needed the last people, so...